Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to your CoinMarketCap account easily whether you are on your Android or iOS device. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open CoinMarketCap application on your device. Once you're in the main homepage, go to the top right section and tap on your profile avatar. From here, you will see this login and sign up option at the top left. To log into your existing account, tap on Login. On the next page, you can easily log in using your email address and password that you created while signing up for CoinMarketCap. If you want to log in easily and quickly, you can also tap on Continue with Google, Apple, or Wallet option. Since I created an account with email, I'm going to have to type in the email address in the respective box. Go ahead and write down your email address that you previously signed up with and then go to the password field and type down your password correctly. If you don't remember the password, tap on Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. If you do remember your password, type it down correctly. Finally, after having your credentials correct, click Login, and there you have it. Complete this small puzzle and you'll be signed into your existing account. That's how you easily log in or sign in to your CoinMarketCap account using your credentials. You can now access your watchlist, portfolio, alerts, and more. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.